Hello everyone, this is Hitech Talk. So there is a very common questions like, can we schedule our Instagram stories as we do it for our Instagram post, for our Instagram reels? As we know, there is an inbuilt feature inside Instagram application that we can schedule our Instagram post. But how about Instagram stories? So till now, October 2025, there is no such options available in Instagram so that you can schedule your Instagram stories. Even in recent questions and answers, the head of Instagram, he said no, we cannot, we don't have any such options to schedule our Instagram stories, nor they are planning for do this, because as per him this is something, the Instagram story is something people used to post to engage with their followers, to that should be something real, not something that we are scheduling it or automating it. So I hope you will find this video useful. Thank you.